2027, runway 31 center, turn right, heading 130, clear fail. 0, clear fail. Citrus 927 to Medja, heading turn left now. Left turn heading at 210.
Left to 210, Citrus 927.
Citrus 927, contact departure on 118.4. Have a great day.
Departure Citrus 927.
Tower 737 Mike Echo, 9 miles to the southeast landing. Mike.
Southwest 737 Mike Echo, midway tower, make right traffic for Southwest 327. Your company just departed, reported something on the runway. He said it appeared to be a part of a tool, perhaps. Still want to land?
That's firm, sir. So about a third down.
27, runway 31 center for the land, and advise if you see anything.
Will do, sir. Southwest 327, third land, 31 center. It was about a third of the way down.
Yeah, he said the first third, and it might have been a handle from some pliers, he said.
Okay, we'll take a look. Thanks.
Philly Tower, Airport 83 on the south coast short of the 31 left approach. Would I just get up to it, 31?
Airport 83, pull up to, Airport 83, pull up to the whole short of 31 center.
Airport 83.
Airport 83 from the approach end, proceed northwestbound on 31 center. It was reported approximately a third of the way down. There might be something down near Yankee, but we can't tell for sure. Yeah, look between the double home bars and Yankee. We think there's something out there. So 327, right turn, cross 31 right, ground point 65 after you cross. Did you see anything out there by chance?
Negative. We were both looking. We didn't see anything at all. But, well, like I said, here, we're clear across 31 right with you, and then ground up with 327.
Thank you.
Negative. We were both looking. We didn't see anything at all. But, well, like I said, here, we're clear across 31 right with you, and then ground up with 327.
Thank you. 83, did you find something out there?
Yeah, I got some bits of joints.
Roger, hold short. We got a vehicle checking the runway.
Nothing at,
Thank you, sir.
Philly Tower, Airport 83 is clear in runway 31 center, and I'll take the access road.
Airport 83, thank you, sir. You guys have a nice day, and thanks for the help. Switch at 996, the vehicle's clear, runway 31 center, cleared for takeoff. Turn right, heading 110. Thanks, sir. Have a good one.
Midway Tower, good day. Southwest 1010, visual 31 center.
South 1010, Midway Tower, welcome. Descend pilot, discretion, runway 31 center, clear to land. There'll be departures ahead of you. Wind 3207.
31 center, clear to land, Southwest 1010.
Kennedy 915, Midway Tower, good day. Runway 31 center, line to wait. Boeing traffic 8 mile final. Kennedy 915, runway 31 center, turn left heading 250, cleared for takeoff. Switch at 996, tighten up that turn. Got to make sure you comply with the midway 7, please. Right heading 110, departures 18-4. Have a good day.
Now we're in the turn, 18-4, 997.
Keep it tight, sir. Kennedy 915, left heading 250, departures 133.5. Make sure your transponder's on. Have a good one.
250, Kennedy 915.
KRA 955 Kilo, Midway Tower, 44, flighting 220, maintain 3000, contact departure, have a nice day.
220, 3000, switch and departures at 44, take care.